Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Sylvia. So guys, it is now okay to congratulate Sharon OJA. In case you don't know who Sharon OJA is, Sharon OJA is a Nigerian actress. She has been making media waves far back as how many years now, in different Nigerian series, TV series, normal cinema movies. She's also even brand ambassadors to so many brands, including Schweppes. You all know her very well. Girl is just doing, she's a media sensation in short, and she is so pretty. So she's about to go down, although she says she's been legally married, now counting down to her wedding and traditional marriage to her Igbo lover. Do you get? So in this video you get to see a lot of her stuffs, the way they did their probably engagement stuff and all of that, and she refuses to show the social media the face of her man. Yes, to be on the safe side, she'll get. So then people just raised one thing she wrote, a critic message she wrote as of 2 years ago, where she was saying, talking about Kanye West's marriage with Kim K. It will make her, keep her marriage low profile. So why did she now show all these things, stuff like that, blah blah blah. People now, they know how to dig. But in case you don't know who Sharon OJA is, at the end of this video you're going to see the cryptic message. Do well to just pause the video and read through what she wrote, and then you can get to see some of her pictures to know who Sharon OJA truly is. And guys, what do you think? Can somebody just be happy? Probably she's just overwhelmed and decided to share with the social media, but then again they will just want to remind you of what you said in the past. You get? So guys, this is the gist I got for you guys. Stay tuned, more is coming. Bye.